Creating a successful finance channel used to require expensive equipment, a studio, and being comfortable in front of a camera. But today, artificial intelligence has completely changed the game. With AI tools, anyone can create professional faceless finance videos that educate, entertain, and build an audience without ever showing their face. A faceless video is content where the creator does not appear on camera. Instead, the message is delivered through AI voices, animations, stock footage, screen recordings, and engaging visuals. This makes it easier to create content consistently while protecting your privacy. The first step in creating a faceless finance video is finding a powerful topic. Finance works well because people are always searching for ways to save money, invest, build wealth, and improve their financial lives. After choosing a topic, I use AI to help create the script. AI helps organize ideas, improve storytelling, and turn simple concepts into videos that keep viewers interested from beginning to end. The next part is creating the voice. Instead of recording myself, I use AI voice technology that converts the script into a natural-sounding narration. This saves time and keeps the quality professional without needing a microphone or recording setup. Visuals are what keep viewers watching. I combine AI-generated images, stock footage, animations, charts, and financial graphics to explain ideas clearly and make every moment of the video interesting. For finance content, visuals are extremely important because they simplify complicated topics. A good animation or graphic can explain an investing idea faster than words alone. The final step is editing everything together. I combine the voiceover, visuals, captions, music, and effects to create a video that looks like it was made by a full production team. AI tools make the process faster, but the most important part is still the idea. AI does not replace creativity. It helps creators produce better content in less time. The future of content creation is changing. You no longer need a camera, a studio, or a big team to start a finance channel. With the right tools and consistency, one person can create content that reaches thousands of viewers. My workflow is simple.